Alright, so today's date, 10/9/2015. This is Chapter 2, Section 5, Percent of Change. Now, the percent of change basically is where we find the percent of increase or decrease in two amounts. Another way to think of this is by what percent did something go up or down. The formula for finding this is we're going to take whatever the amount is now. So an example of that would be current price minus whatever the old or original amount was. We're going to divide all that by the old or original amount, and then whatever decimal we get, we're going to multiply by 100. That's going to make it a percent. Another way to think of this, the amount now minus the old amount, that's the amount of change. AMT is an abbreviation for amount. So amount of change over the original or old amount. Now, we're going to go through an example of this. Let's do a real-life example. And let's use gasoline prices. So, 1 year ago, I paid about $2.50 per gallon for gas in my car. Today, I paid $1.08 per gallon. So obviously the price went down. The price decreased. So, first thing I need to do is I need to find the amount of change. The way I do that is I take what the amount is now, or the price now, and subtract the old amount, or old price. So, now minus the old, or original. So the price now is $1.08. The old price, or the original price, was $2.50. So I subtract that in my calculator. $1.08 minus $2.50, and I get negative $1.42. It's negative because the price decreased. Make sure you look for that negative sign, and depending which calculator you use, it might be right with the number, or it might be all the way over on the other side of the screen. So, the change is $1.42. Negative tells us that the price went down, which makes sense, because we know the price went down. It went from $2.50 to $1.08. Now, I divide by the old amount, or the original amount, which was $2.50, and then I multiply that by 100. So, I type in my calculator, and make sure you're paying close attention, $1.42. To make it negative, see that button right there? If I touch that button once, the negative sign appears. If I touch it again, it goes away, and now it's positive. So make sure that it's negative. Once you see that you have the number entered in and it's negative, now we're going to divide by the 250. And to make this decimal into a percent, we multiply by 100. And the answer that we get is negative 56.8%. Because this is negative, we know this is a 56.8% decrease in price.